Hello. Today we're talking about decluttering briefly and often. One thing I talk to you about is a clutter stop, and it is a mini declutter that happens 3 times a day. It only takes about 5 minutes to pick up a room. Look at the room and see what you've left out since the last clutter stop. So that's just a couple of hours ago, or last night if it's first thing in the morning. It's very important that you do these regularly because this is what builds clutter if you leave it alone. As far as your zone decluttering, you're going to declutter 4 times a week for 15 minutes. So again, not a long time. We're going to throw away, put away, give away, and then complete the process of actually throwing away, putting away, and putting the giveaway in the back of the car. So declutter briefly, declutter often. It's going to be the best thing for you and your home. Have a wonderful day.